In today's video, we're going to learn how to check document properties and remove author information in Microsoft Word. Document properties contain hidden details about a file, such as the author's name, company, title, tags, and the date the document was created or modified. While these details can be helpful for organizing and managing files, there are times when you may want to remove them, especially before sharing a document with others. Removing this information helps protect privacy and ensures that no personal or identifying data is included in the file. To begin, open your document in Microsoft Word. Once the document is open, click the File tab located in the upper left corner of the screen. This will take you to the Backstage view, where you can see various details about your document. In the Info section, you will find the Document Properties panel on the right side. Here, you can view information such as the author name, file size, last modified date, and other related metadata. If you want to edit or remove the author information directly from this section, simply right-click inside the Author field and select the Remove Person that appears there. You can also remove other details, such as tags, title, or comments, by selecting the text and pressing the Delete key on your keyboard. For a more thorough removal of hidden information, Microsoft Word provides a built-in tool called the Document Inspector. In the Info section, click the Check for Issues button, then select Inspect Document from the drop-down menu. A dialog box will appear displaying different types of content that Word can inspect, including document properties, personal information, comments, revisions, and hidden text. Make sure the option for Document Properties and Personal Information is selected, then click the Inspect button. Word will scan the document and display the results. If any personal or hidden information is found, you will see an option labeled Remove All next to each category. Click Remove All to permanently delete that information from the document. After the inspection is complete, click Close to exit the Document Inspector. Your document will now be cleared of the selected metadata and personal details. It's a good idea to save the file after making these changes so that the updated version replaces the original metadata. Checking and removing document properties is a simple but important step when preparing files for sharing, publishing, or collaboration. It ensures that your document looks professional while protecting sensitive information that may otherwise remain hidden within the file. If you think this video is helpful, please leave a comment, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we upload new videos.